In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily use the demo trading mode inside the BTCC app. If you want to get an exclusive sign up bonus, you'll find the sign up link down in the video description. Then you'll be taken straight to the sign up page where you can create an account in about 30 seconds and automatically qualify for a bonus of up to several $1,000s. Once we are inside the app right here, we can simply go down here to trade and then click on these three dots up here and choose demo trading. And then we will get to this demo trading mode right here. You will automatically get $100,000 of demo funds if you use the sign up link from the description that you can now use to try out the entire platform. So let me just quickly show you and open a demo trade right here. So you can see everything works exactly as it would on the normal trading mode. You can see your trade down here and try out everything you want. If you want to go back to the live mode at any point, simply go up here and click on return to live. Don't forget to claim your sign up bonus right now by creating an account with a link in the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.